Hi everyone, it is Ariana's world and this is my first video and I'm playing with my daughter right now. She's behind me. See, it's Ariana and she's very naughty. So we are just conversing with each other, just not to bore you. We are just conversing with each other and we are making a video. What is Ariana doing whole day? So she's just very busy child and very naughty too. So let's see what she is doing. Aru, what are you doing? And I call her Aru, by the way. It's her nickname. And myself Pooja. I'm her mother. So you tell me, Aru, what are you doing right now? Oh, she's sneezing. Bless you. Bless you. Very good. We always should put our hand on our mouth if we sneeze to kill the germs. Okay? And she knows that. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Why should we put our hand on our mouth when we sneeze?
No, you need to say Ariana's playing with her makeup.
Oh yes, she likes to play with her makeup and this is what she's doing right now. And this is her. Who has given you this makeup, Aru? Who has given you this makeup, by the way?
It's my birthday present.
Birthday present. Alright, so her last birthday present was, one of them was a makeup box which she got and this is what it is. So, what is it, by the way?
I'm going to make one small tattoo in my hand.
Oh, tattoo with a nail paint.
Yeah.
Alrighty, not make a small one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not a big one.
Not a big one. Not this side of the hand. At the back of your hand, not on your palm. And sometimes only she follows my instructions. Rest of the time, she does what she likes. So she doesn't follow. You know, just don't go by the look. She's not that innocent as she looks. She is a monster of the house, running around. What you doing? What you doing? You tell, why did you put your hand on your mouth when you sneezed? Is it nice to put your hand on your mouth
Yeah.
when we sneeze? Why should we do that? Aru, why should we do that?
Because it's very clear. Bless you.
Oh, we should say bless you after that. But before, why did you keep hand on your mouth? To keep the germs away. Say please.
Please
Say keep the germs away.
keep the germs away.
Right. Keep the germs away. Very nice. And what do you do to keep the germs away, Aru?
Putting hand.
Putting hands on what?
Can I put one kajal?
Is this a kajal? Do you think so?
It is. It's in my leg and tattoo.
Oh, okay.
One small one.
So I work also, and half of the time, since the lockdown is ongoing, so half of the time I spend with her and I stay with her and I listen to her. She listens to me sometimes only. So half of the time,
That's a small one.
most of the times I listen to her. She doesn't listen to me. So she always does all these things that she's doing right now, keeping nail paints on her whole body and then behaving like a naughtiest child in the whole world. And you know, mothers, they pamper their child. I don't pamper much. Okay, I try to.
Mama,
What you doing?
I want
And I'm sure mothers can relate to it, that our daughters are very naughty, very cheeky. She's very cheeky, by the way. And she can read also, though she doesn't go to school, but she can read also. We have done some homework on her, and she also has done some kind of homework on her own. So it's not that it's us only who has done all the efforts. It's her also who has put in all the efforts in learning and grasping things. So let's see what she's doing. What are you doing, by the way?
to take out my things.
Alright, and what are the things? Can you please name them? Hair dryer, okay. Can you show the hair dryer please on the video? Alright, this is a hair dryer. It's a pretend hair dryer. And it's made of what?
Plastic.
Oh, made of plastic. And who has given that to you? Can you please say that?
Nanny and Daddy also.
Alright, so she doesn't remember. However, it's been given by one of our close family friend.
Yes.
And she has always liked it. And she knows how to do makeup also. And she always asks for my makeup things. Though I don't do much of the makeup, just use a normal kajal and a normal eyeliner. However, She just likes it and she wants to do a lot of makeup with that. Alright, Aru, I think it's time to say bye because you're too busy and you are not listening to the audience also. You're not listening to anybody.
I listen.
You listen. What will you listen?
Listen to this.
Listen to what?
1, 2, 1.
Alright, so
My earring.
it's an earring. Okay. And what all books you have? You have so many books. Can you show the books? So these all books she has, they all are board books which we ordered online, and we prefer shopping online, and we actually could get stuff and good discounts online. So we bought it from Amazon, and these are the torn ones, and she actually tore one whole book. You know, you can't imagine that she can tear anything, and children at her age, I think that they all do that. Alrighty, so let's say goodbye to everybody and we will meet again.
Goodbye.
Goodbye everyone. We'll meet again with more of her naughtiness and more of her mischiefs. Let's see what she is up to, and I think I need to look after, okay? Because if I'll get busy on the video, then I'm sure that she won't allow.
My medicine.
And who's that on the other side? Who's that on the other side?
Aru.
Alright, it's Ariana only who is watching on the other side. Alright, thank you very much for watching us, and hope you can relate to, all the mothers can relate to. She likes this. Alright, say bye-bye. Bye. See you later.